Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making English muffin. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome and kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. Here I'll add 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 teaspoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I'll stir it gently. Now I'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon of salt. Then I'll mix them together. So I'll use my hand and knead them together for about 8 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Okay, this is fine. Here I'll grease my bowl. Place the dough in it. Cover it and let it double in size. Okay, this is fine. Now I'll gently flour my workstation. Place it on it. And knock out the air by tightly folding the dough. Now divide it into 8 or 7 equal pieces. I'll flour my baking sheet with cornmeal. Now pick up a piece. Gently pinch the edges together. Roll it on my workstation to form a smooth round ball and repeat the same process for the remaining pieces. Nice. So I'll still flour the top of the dough with cornmeal, then press them down together. Then cover with a tea towel and let it double in size. So this is fine. Here I have my skillet on low heat for about 2 minutes. Then I'll gently place it in it and let it cook on each side for 5 minutes using very low heat to avoid burning. Here I'll turn it and leave it for another 5 minutes. Oh, this is fine. As you can see, our muffin is ready. And thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.